Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to change the desktop wallpaper in Windows 11. So let's get started. You can go to the search bar and here you can type settings. Once you go to the settings, what you can do is like you can just go to the personalization. So here you can personalize your desktop. So here you can see background, color, themes, dynamic lighting, lock screen and all. Okay. So here you can choose the background. Click on this particular option. So once you click on this particular option, so here you can see the present wallpaper desktop whichever you are using. So here you can see I'm already using this present desktop. Okay, so now suppose if you want to change this particular desktop, means you can choose some of the images here. So here you can see some of the images. So once you click on that particular image, the desktop wallpaper gets changed. Okay, suppose if I choose this, so here you can see the desktop wallpaper has been changed. Okay, and suppose if you want the wallpaper some of your own image, means you can also do it in that way. So here you can see the option choose a photo and here you can see the browse photos. So once you click on this browse photos, so here you can select any kind of images which you have saved on your desktop. So here you can choose any desktop. Suppose if I want this particular image, so here you can see the flower image. Suppose if you want this particular image to be your desktop wallpaper, you can select this, choose picture, then finally you can close it. So here you can see that particular image has been saved as a desktop wallpaper. Okay, so this is how you can change the background or the desktop wallpaper in Windows 11. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.